Welcome to the know-how factory, Zimmer Group's first factory outside Germany. This is located in Kikvi, 40 kilometers away from the city center in Pune. So what we have built here is the customer experience center, where we have displayed various products, uh, starting from the handling technology, linear technology, damping technology, and of course the system technology. So let me take you through the details of the kind of products that are at display, and products which our customers can feel, touch, and get a first-hand experience. So welcome to the Zimmer's Customer Experience Center. So today let me take you through the components and the system solutions which we have displayed in our customer experience center. So to begin with, let me show you the products that we have displayed here from the handling technology side. So here you will see that we have displayed different types of flat swivel units, which are the products which help you in changing the orientation parallelly to the ground. So you have a bigger swivel unit here, a flat swivel unit, and then you have the miniature ones. What we also have displayed here is our 2-jaw and 3-jaw parallel grippers, and also a miniature A-axis. Whenever you want to lift a product and flip it perpendicular to the ground, you would go for A-axis, which is the SB series coming in from Zimmer, Germany. The next in line is the linear technology. So linear technology basically comprises of two main products. One is the clamping element and one is the braking element. So you can see here, we have a big clamping element which could be used for turntable applications, which is a favorite of designers who are working on building up machines from the machine tool sector. Then we also have different types of clamps, manual clamps, pneumatic clamps, hydraulic clamps, and even electrical clamps as well. The one that you see here is the RBPS clamp, which is used for holding of the round shafts. So this is a clamp, which is very popular when our customers are building automation solutions in the warehouse segment. So now what I can show you is a small demonstration of our shock absorbers and our linear clamping solutions. So here, we have stacked up a mass wherein, we have the manual clamps here, which is on the behind. So you will see that the mass moves here, and then I just clamp it, just half a twist, and then I can clamp it. So this is how we are making the workspaces more safer. The clamping elements and the braking elements are designers' favorite when they are designing, especially a vertical axis, that is the Z axis. So moving on to the next business vertical is the damping technology area. So when we talk of damping technology areas, there are two main products which come under the damping. Number one is the industrial shock absorbers, and number two is the profile dampers. The industrial shock absorbers that you see here are again produced in two main different types. One is with the adjustable stroke and one is with a non-adjustable stroke. The one that you see here, with the knob at the behind, is the one where you can adjust the stroke of the piston. So what is the USP of our shock absorbers? The main USP is the spiral groove, because of which the oil flows gradually and the damping effect is also gradual, against the competition where the oil is pushed out through a throttle mechanism, and that's why you do not get a consistent damping. Now the next one is the profile dampers. The profile dampers are the ones which are typically used at the end of the robot shuttles or the gantries, where you want to have end cushioning. So coming on to the next one, here what we have just displayed is the gripping solution with the fingers. We can give you prefabricated fingers, and they in turn can be readily mounted onto your robot arm or the gantry. So this is just a feeler about the kind of products that we are giving. The next business vertical is the machine technology. In machine technology, mainly we talk of two main products. One is the 0-point clamping system, and the second one is the spindles. So here we have not actually displayed a spindle, but what we have displayed is a 0-point clamping system. So I would just like to show you here, we have something like a 0-point clamping system mounted onto a plate. So this is used whenever you are building a pallet changing machine, to have a lower setup times of the components on the machine fixture. We use the 0-point clamping system. So what we have here is a loading mechanism with a 3-jaw gripper. So let's say you are trying to load a part onto the lathe machine, the chuck of the lathe machine. This kind of a product can be used. So the part is picked up from the carousel, then you can move it, swivel it by 90 degrees, load it, and then again this goes minus 90 and you come out of the machine. So this is a product which is tailor-made when you are working with a lathe loading and unloading. So coming on to the next segment, it is the handling technology 2, where we mainly talk about all the automatic tool changing units. So Zimmer has got an extensive range of automatic tool changing units, where starting from as low as 5 kg payload capacity up to 1.5 tons. That is the payload capacities that we can handle. We have automatic tool changing units, plus we also have the manual tool changing units. So we have now also developed a nice range of automatic tool changers, which can also be used in the welding applications. The next one, what we have displayed here, is actually a beautiful amalgamation of all the standard components put together, which are coming straight out of the catalog, and we have built it tailor-made to suit the customer's application. So for example, what we have shown here is a component which needs to be picked up. The picking of the component or the gripping of the component happens because of the long stroke gripper. Then we have the SB jaws. These are the A-axis. So we are able to pick it up and flip it 360 degrees. So no matter what kind of orientation you want to have from one machine fixture to the next machine fixture, we can always pick it up, change the orientation, and we can ensure that the gripper in itself is giving you all the necessary orientations. Furthermore, what we have also now assembled along with this entire setup is the compliance unit. So whenever you are trying to load the part, where the tolerances in the fixture is extremely tight, you need some kind of a float, and this float can be an integral part of the gripping system itself, because all these three parts are standard coming out of the catalog, and they are put together to make a tailor-made solution. So what we have also displayed here is angular swivel unit, on which we have mounted our GPP 5000 series parallel gripper, and this is a combination of a SW series and the GPP 5000 here. So this again is something which is very popular when it comes to machine tending application. From one gripper you pick up a raw component, and from the other you pick up the finished component. So here you can see that the swiveling can happen 90 degrees, that is perpendicular to the. So this is how this particular mechanism works, and this is very popular with the machine tool application. Then what we have also displayed here is our electrical series of gripper with the Zimmer clamp, which ensures that the gripper becomes normally closed, meaning that once there is a cut off in the supply of air, the component will still remain in the grip position and would not fall off. So the next one is also we have a wide range of products, like the linear cylinders, which could be used for applications in the assembly area, and this is something that comes out of the catalog just as a standard product. What we have also displayed here is a range of different parallel grippers, varying from different strokes, varying from different payload carrying capacities. We also have the 3-jaw grippers here, which come from the standard GD300 series, which are IP40, and probably almost 70 to 80% of all the applications on the shop floor can be catered by using these standard grippers. So we also have the hybrid grippers here, where the actuation is through pneumatic, and through a single cable you can have all the feedback mechanism, and this is industry 4.0 compliant. So in a nutshell, if I have to tell you about Zimmer Group, then I would put it in one very simple sentence. If at all you are looking at moving something with precision, accuracy and reliability from point A to point B on the shop floor, then please think of Zimmer Group, because Zimmer Group would definitely have solved this kind of a similar application somewhere across the globe, because we are present in 27 countries, and we have a strong application library of 10,000 plus system grippers.